Hey y'all, good morning. It is Monday, a new week. This weekend was super emotional for me. So I'm just trying to make the best out of this Monday. I'm watching 90 Day Fiancé. Do y'all watch that? It is like one of my favorite shows. I don't know, I don't have any big plans this week. Do you guys hear the wind? Watch. Hold on. Do you guys hear that? It is so windy. The winds I think are supposed to be like between 30 and 50 miles per hour today and tomorrow. So I don't plan to go out these next 2 days. I've been getting together the costumes for a little Halloween photo shoot that I want to do with my kids. So I just bought my Pennywise costume. Oh, let me show you. So it's still inside of the thing. I got a size medium in men. I hope that it's not like super huge, but at the same time, like, clowns are like kind of, you know, I used to be super afraid of clowns until I think I saw the movie It, the new one, and then it went away. Throw this bitch on. Let's see. Wait, how do you? Oh, it's a Velcro. I was like, my big ass head don't fit in this hole. Oh, it's cute. Son las 5 de la mañana y no ha dormido nada pensando en tu. Anyway, this is the ruffle neck. I plan to be Pennywise, and then Elijah's gonna be Chucky. I just got his overalls. Ethan is going to be the ghost face from Scream, and Omar decided that he does want to do the thing, so he's either gonna be Jason or Michael Myers. I am on the hunt looking for that costume, so that's exciting. So I've been collecting all that so that hopefully we can do the photo shoot next weekend. I'm gonna clean up real quick before I have to go pick up Ethan, and then I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I'm so out of shape, y'all, but I got a workout in. I actually did 5 rounds, which is much better than when I tried to work out last week. I only did 3 rounds. If you guys are thinking about starting to get working out, do it right now in the winter, so in the summer you could be hot shit, you feel me? This summer I think I was in the best shape of my life, and then I fell off for a couple months, and then I all went to shit. So now we're restarting. If you guys saw my last vlog, I could do a couple push-ups or whatever, so I might be able to do a couple more. Also, I got a Hydro Flask. Am I what was that thing going around where people with Hydro Flask and all the scrunchies? Visco, is that what it's called? A Visco girl? A Visco girl? Or Visco, I don't know. And guess how much I paid for it? Guess right now in the comments. Guess if you know. I'm a cheap ass, so did you guess? $0. I got it for free. I tried the Nordstrom Trunk Club this week, where they send you like a box of like a bunch of like clothes to try on and whatnot, and they give you a $50 credit for your first box. So this is what I got with my $50 credit, and then I just sent back the clothes because I wanted to keep the $88 jeans, but $88 jeans, I couldn't justify that. So I returned the box, kept the Hydro Flask. Oh, here's what we're eating. 2 chicken skewers, avocado toast with everything seasoning and mustard. I know, weird obsession. And then I'm having a little bit of the cafe latte protein by itself. I didn't add any coffee to it. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go shower, and then we shall see what comes next. I'm low-key so tired. I could take a nap like right now. All right, bye. Right as I was gonna shower, Ethan's school called that I needed to come pick him up. So I just ended up going to Target right away so that I could get what I needed. I needed to get strawberries for the kids because my kids go through strawberries like crazy. And then I also got Elijah a bunch of these Gerber snacks. I know they're not the healthiest, but this kid eats all day. I don't even know what to feed him anymore. Ethan got a car. Y'all, I think we've spent like $2,000 worth of just these cars. He gets one every single time we go. Here you go. I picked up these. Look at how cute they are.
Mom, they're cute.
I got to these pumpkin earrings, and I also got, she was literally just putting them out when I got there. She's like, you should grab them now. And I did. Look. Aren't those so cute? And they were $6. Perfect. I know Halloween's about to be over, and you already know all their Christmas shit's already coming out, so you better start stocking up on that. So I got some Christmas dish towels. I love flannel for Christmas. And I also got this guy, the little gnome, and he was in the dollar section. He was the only one. This one was $3. Isn't he freaking adorable? And then I've never seen this, but I also got a like little chalkboard. I'm gonna use this side to write like, I don't know, happy fall or coffee time or something like that, and put it somewhere in my kitchen, and it leans out like that. So like it's like a stand on its own. So I got that. That's all I got from Target. I did pretty well, I think. I shouldn't have bought anything but the food that I went for. All right, I'm gonna go shower now. Now is a good time. All right. I just finished filming. This is the look. It's very simple, very beginner friendly, no lashes. I have my regular lashes, my natural lashes, which are like non-existent. And then look at the earrings, so cute. All right, that's all I gotta say. My fucking earring, it's missing. Oh shit, let me go look for it. level of tired that I feel right now. I'm exhausted. My son was up from like 4 o'clock to like 6:50. And I wake up at 7 to take my son to school. I don't know if Elijah's teething or what the hell is going on. Do you guys hear him? He's waiting for his food. I'm making it as we speak. I'm making him 2-ingredient pancakes, just bananas and egg. Mister, go to sleep right now. Now! Says mas? Say mas? Mas more. Good job. Well, I tried to work out and that shit did not work out for me. I don't know. I was like out of breath like on the first round. So I only did like 10 minutes and then I was like, okay, maybe I should try this later because I was really, really hungry. So I think I probably should have ate maybe like something small. Usually I don't like to eat, but maybe that's changed now that I'm trying to get like back into the hang of things. I don't know, but I was out of breath. You're always wondering why you guys are here in my kitchen is because there's a window here and this is probably the best lighting I have like in the house without my regular lighting. Does that make sense? But look what I got. I ordered this for my comadre for her birthday, which is already like what? 2 weeks ago, I think. I ordered it on Etsy from a store called Geo something. There were some issues with shipping, so it wasn't as fast as I needed it to be, but it's okay, it got here. So they hand make them, and then the flower right here is a violet, which is the flower from February, and then it has the dates of my grandmother's birthday and then the day she passed away. So very pretty, and it comes with the angel wing, so I'm gonna give it to her whenever I see her. And they like engrave it. Very, very cute, and it feels very high quality. It comes in a really cute box that says made with love. Isn't that cute? But yeah, anyway, that workout sucked balls. Hopefully tomorrow is better. At least I'm trying. At least I got up and I tried today. Hopefully tomorrow I'm more productive than I have been. I just feel like these days have been flying by me and I'm just like, what the fuck is going on? Like, slow the fuck down, ma'am. Slow the fuck down, you know? I'm literally just waiting for this monkey to go to bed. Ma. Yes, yes. I love your hair. It's honestly the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm so exhausted. 4 o'clock a.m. is just not for me. Please sleep tonight. I beg you. Please, I will do anything. Okay. What do you need me to buy you? Okay. Sir, there's nothing behind me. Good morning! Happy Thursday. It is at 9:20 in the morning. We are headed to the grocery store. I usually never go to Trader Joe's because when I used to live where I used to live, the Trader Joe's parking lot was a motherfucking mess. Here, if you go in the morning, it's not so bad. Anyway, we're about to get to Trader Joe's, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm thinking I'm gonna make banana chocolate chip bread because my fiance just told me if I can skip the nuts, and I'm just like, are you sure? All right, y'all. We secured the bag. I found this guy. We got some bananas, some fresh ones, because I'm going to use the ones that are going bad for the banana nut bread. Got some Caesar salad, a kit, because I love Caesar salad. I got this pita bread here. Got some chocolate chips because I'm going to add them to the banana nut bread that we're going to make. And just some avocados, 2 of them, just because I like avocado toast. Pollo asado. Then I got an pumpkin puree, a canned one, because I feel like I've seen everybody making the pumpkin cold brew. This guy right here, which I bought as well, with this here, and I think heavy cream, vanilla, and some other stuff. So I'm probably gonna try to make it with this pumpkin puree. Then I got some organic maple syrup. I got this because I don't know. Last but not least, I got strawberries because my 5-year-old can literally eat this 2-pound pack in like 2 hours if I let him. But now my baby loves strawberries, so now we got to buy like triple the amount of strawberries that we were originally buying. I got a package that I've been waiting for forever. It's from Sweetest Bee Creations. I'm gonna tag her store. Are you ready? Are you ready? And she draws them. Isn't that cute? And it says, do you like scary movies? I do not like scary movies. And I got it in a size large because I wanted like an oversized feel so that I could either do like leggings or biker shorts. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put these groceries away and then I'm gonna check in with you guys so that we can make that banana nut bread. Oh, my day got so hectic. It's already 10:50. I'm tired, but we're gonna make this banana nut bread. So I found this recipe online, so we're gonna give this baby a go. I think I should have everything, so a ver cómo me sale. I don't have like a pan for it, but I have this one. I think this will work. It's like one of those disposable ones that I bought when I was trying to make my grandma's meatloaf. You see me salió, but not like hers. I could tell you guys that much. And it says to grease up the little pan. So let's do that. Already preheating the oven at 325 degrees. So right here, I just put coconut oil and the maple syrup. Remember, I didn't know what I needed it for? Well, that's what it was for. Mix that up, and then I'm gonna... So right now I put the eggs and I'm just whisking that together. Y'all, I don't know how to cook or bake, okay? I think I baked a cake for my son's 4th birthday. Y era de la pinche caja, okay? So, okay, right there I put the bananas and I added a little bit of, it says milk, but I don't have milk, so I added some water because we don't drink milk in this house. So mixing all that in. Next I have to add all the other ingredients. It's vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and flour. All right, here we go. In 5 minutes, okay, this is what I did. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen while we wait for the bread. We'll come and do a little taste test once it cools. It's gonna take like an hour. Hopefully I stay up. Imagine? No, don't say that. I'm gonna stay up. All right, it's 12:49. And here's my bread. It looks really good. I added lots of chocolate chips. Let's see. Oh, she a whole cook now. 10 out of 10. Okay, I gotta go to bed because I gotta make my coffee in the morning and have this bread. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video. Let me know down below. You already know any ideas that you guys have for future videos that you guys want to see. It's already gonna be 1 in the morning. I gotta go wash my face and go mimis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that stuff really matters, and I will catch you guys in next week's video. Bye. I could eat this whole motherfucking loaf.